Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial, and today we'll be learning how to do some math. We're going to do summation and also subtraction. So let's actually get started. So let's write an integer value, give it a name of a, and then I'll give it a value of 24, and then b will be equal to 13. And I'm going to do num will be equal to a plus b. And let's actually just remove this extra space here to just make it a little bit organized. And let's do print statement. So I'm going to write a small string and that which will say this is the value of a plus b. And then I'll put an equal sign, which wouldn't do anything. It's just a text. And then you put a comma after the quotation and write num, which is the name of my integer right here. So if I actually save this and run it from here, I'll get the value is 37. I can do the same exact thing in here for subtraction. So if I do the value of a minus b and run it, I'll get an 11. So let's say we want to do the same exact thing for text. Or actually, before we do so, let's actually do something a little bit tricky. So if we write a and then put 24 inside of a quotation and b inside of a quotation too. So let's actually put this as a 2. So what do you guys think we'll get? If we use common sense, it would say, oh, 24 plus 2, that's of course 26, right? Let's run this and see what we're gonna get. We're actually getting 242. Why is that? Because it's actually detecting this as a text. It doesn't see it as an integer anymore because we put this quotation. So it sees this as just a name. So all it's doing is just adding the number or adding the value of text next to each other. So such as, like if I say David and then I put a space and then I write the word awesome, for example. And if I save and run it, that's exactly what I'm getting. It's just thinking that the numbers that I gave before, it's just a text. So that's why it's not seeing it. So we can also do something else for summation. There is actually a function that is called sum. So let's actually get rid of that. And let's get, let's write num equal to, and then let's do 1, 2, 3. Right? And then we can do sum num equal to sum of num. So let's actually rename this to something else, so value, so you guys don't get confused. So I have an array of 3 values, and then the value is equal to sum of those numbers. So if I do a print of value, I should get the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. So if I print it now, I'm going to get a value of 6. So that's another way to do summation. I just wanted to throw that out so you guys will know. So that's it for this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.